Hello friends, in this video I will discuss about logical operators on vectors. There are various types of logical operators available which we can perform on vectors. But we need to keep one thing in our mind, that the logical operators we can perform only on the numeric type of vector, complex type of vector and the logical type of vector. Other than these three vectors we cannot perform logical operators. So now we will firstly see what kind of logical operators are available in R. So first one is the element wise logical AND operator, which is represented by the ampersand sign. The second one is the element wise OR operator, which is represented by the pipe sign. Then the next one is the logical AND operator, which is represented by the double ampersand sign. Next one is the logical OR operator, which is represented by the double pipe sign. And lastly, there is logical NOT operator, which we can represent by the exclamation sign. So this way, these are the 5 logical operators which we can perform on vectors. So one by one, I'll explain you the concept of these operators on the vectors. So as I said, firstly, I'm creating some vectors here. I'm creating 2 vectors here, and both the vectors I'm taking as the numeric vector. So first vector I have created A, second vector I am creating as B. So in both the vectors you can see I have taken 4 elements. Now we are using or we are performing the logical operators here on these 2 vectors and we will see the output. So when I'm talking about the element wise logical AND operators, that means we are using ampersand and I have written here A ampersand B. So that way the comparison of the respective element would be there of A and B, and we will get the output in terms of logical values true and false. So with the element wise logical AND operator, we will get the output as true if both the elements are true. And in this, if the value is greater than 1, only that case is known as the true case. So when I am pressing, firstly I need to execute these 2 vectors. So I am pressing Control Enter here. So it is executed, it is run in the R environment. Then I am executing my second vector also. So both the vectors I have executed successfully in the R environment. Now I am performing the element wise logical AND vector on both the vectors to compare the elements of these 2 vectors. So you can see I am pressing here Control Enter to execute A ampersand B. So the output you can see here 2 would be compared by 4. So we will get true. 3 would be compared by 2. Again we are getting true. 4 is compared by 1. Again we are getting true. And 5 is compared by 0. So we are getting false. So if both the elements are greater than 1, only in that case we will get the true, or else we are getting the false. So this would be the output of A ampersand B. Now we will see element wise logical operator OR on the A and B. So when I am writing here A pipe B, so the output you can see here we are getting true, 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 true. Means for all the 4 comparisons of the elements of A and B, we are getting true, because either in the A vector or in the B vector, if we are getting the element greater than 1, so it is returning us true. So this is the second operator we have discussed. Now if I write here A and B, so the output is coming as, in the console you can see the output is coming as true, because the work of A double ampersand B is it will only compare the first elements of both the vectors, and if both the elements are greater than 1, it will return us true. So that way 2 and 4 both are greater than 1, so we are getting here true. Now when we are applying the logical OR operator on A and B, so I have written here A double pipe B, and when I am pressing Control Enter, so the output again is coming true. So again the work of this logical OR operator or the double pipe operator is that it is again comparing first element of both the vectors, and if either in first vector or in the second vector the value is greater than 1, so it will returning us true. So in this case, in both the vectors the first element is greater than 1, so we are getting the output as true. So this way we have seen the 4 operators here. Now we will go for the fifth operator, that is the logical NOT operator. So say for example, if I am writing here print function, and in the print function I am writing not A, and when I'm pressing Control Enter, so the output would be the false, 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 because in the vector A all the 4 elements are greater than 1. So it is means we can say in the R environment these all values are true. But when we are asking R to print not A, so it is returning us the opposite values, that is false, false, false. Similarly, if we are performing print not B, and when I'm executing it, so you can see the output, it is returning us false, 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 and true. So as 0 is false considered in the R, so that's why it is returning me true in case of 0. So that way these are the 5 different logical operators which we have performed on the numeric vectors. So friends, you can practice these operators, these logical operators on other kind of vectors. You can create the logical vectors, you can create the complex vectors also, and you can perform these different logical operators on them to practice it. Friends, I hope this video will help you out to understand logical operators. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected for more such videos in R. Thank you.